Today is St Dwynwen's Day. Croeso, welcome to Ynys Llanddwyn, here on the west coast of Ynys Môn, the Isle of Anglesey in northwest Wales. I'm here on the site of the ancient church founded by St Dwynwen, who is revered as the Welsh patron saint of lovers. Dwynwen is believed to have been the daughter of King Brychan Brycheiniog in the 5th century. And one story suggests that she fell in love with a young man named Maelon. However, her father wanted her to marry someone else. Dwynwen was heartbroken, and so she prayed that God would take away her love for Maelon. It is then said that an angel appeared to her with a potion which turned Maelon into ice. God is then said to have granted her 3 wishes. For the first, she wished that Maelon would be released from his icy state. For the second, she wished that all lovers would find happiness. For the third, she wished that she herself would not marry, but dedicate her life to God. In thanksgiving, she retreated here, where she founded a religious community. She gave up the wealth and safety of a royal home, and she chose the solitude and simplicity of this holy place, which became renowned as a place of miracles and healing, particularly associated with her holy well. May St Dwynwen's story remind us of the transformative power of God's love and inspire us to deepen our love for God and for each other. Ddiwrnod Santes Dwynwen hapus. Happy St Dwynwen's Day.